Today I'm going to teach you guys how to apply dormant spray. In my opinion, it is the most important application you can do on a fruit tree. It prevents the eggs that are laying on there from hatching and chewing on your plants. It gives them a little bit more time in the spring to start developing and producing more fruit for the season. Second, I will pull out the material. First, we'll cover the personal protection equipment that is usually required. Hat, long shirt, long pants. Some will require rubber gloves. I have some sort of good rubber gloves that it isn't recommended in this one, so we'll just kind of wing it. Be right back and get started. Apple tree right here. It's easier to show you guys what I'm trying to do on here. Try not to show the camera. That would never be a good thing. Start low, work our way up. Stand in one place. We'll form a triangle. I know you cannot see me on camera at this point, okay? And then top, be sure to get all these crotches here. That is the place where you're going to have most of your eggs laid. Switch over to position 2. And I don't want to clear my camera, so we'll come over here. Position 3. Go ahead and shut that off. I'm going to do a quick look over, make sure I didn't miss anything. Again, inside these crotches here is where they're going to like to hide. Aphids seem to be a huge problem in my community. I don't know about yours. There are a few places that need touched up towards the upper branches. We'll go ahead and do that. A little bit more down low. Standing in one place in our triangle. We'll go ahead and call this tree good. Oops, looks like I did spray the camera a little bit. The crotches are these areas right here where the branches come off. Make sure we get those really good. That is it for the smaller tree. We'll go work on our apple tree next. It will take a little longer. At this point we're at the apple tree. It's a lot bigger. Give you a little better idea of what I'm doing about the 3-point triangle system. Triangle. Very good. I apologize for your noise. Do not do this on a windy day. Do it under 12 miles an hour, or you're going to be chasing this stuff over everything other than what you want. Come over to position 3. Go ahead and get the raspberry, baby. Back through, pull up. Double check you didn't miss anything. Spider mites. Okay, not got that very well. This was standing in. That is it. I have one more tree to do. I see I got a dirty lens. We'll get this all cleaned up, and I appreciate everybody for watching. With this project complete, there are a few things I'd like to mention before we leave. Always do this above freezing temperatures. It's okay if it's freezing at night as long as you do it during the daytime. It'll allow the material a chance to dry and it won't affect it at night. Do it on a nice day. If it were to rain today, it'd just wash right back off. It'd be pretty much useless. 12 to 24 hours, and you don't really have to worry too much about it. You may have to reapply, which isn't always that much fun, but as you just saw, it only took me 5 minutes to do the whole thing.